Oh yeah, in the name of Jesus, yeah. Conquer the land. Yeah. In the name of Jesus, we conquer powers. I don't know if Papa favorite song. Baba like to the cat money. Baba like to the swag. Baba like to the. Oh my God, a bosom of the most high God. Baba please. Baba carry body for you. Carry body. I roll up. I give up. Hola, God punish them. God punish you not like. Happy birthday to you, sir. This is your radical son. On behalf of me and my nation, love one nation. On behalf of my pastor, Reverend Dr. Chris Oyankelome, I'm wishing you a happy birthday. Thank you so much for your love, for humanity, for your love, for your support, for the body of Christ. Thank you for standing firm. Thank you for standing strong. In the midst of everything, you still came out with a testimony. Thank you. You are not just a role model, you are a teacher. We all look at you and we are happy that we have someone like you at a time like this in the kingdom. And I just want to say happy birthday to you. On behalf of my radical brothers and sisters on the streets, all my street gospel movement team, we're saying happy birthday. My God's grace, Baba, you know, share there, go ahead. Baba, yes, out there, any to better suppose. Yes, out there, baby. Happy birthday to you, Pastor. I love you so much.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.